Oh my god, it's so freaking hot. Oh. Hi, you guys clicked on this video a little too early. I was getting ready. Well, I'm Shantae from Shantedidathing because y'all already know I stay doing things. Now, what I'm going to show you guys today is actually the Airbnb I stayed at when I was in Aruba, flying solo, baby. Now, this place is actually really cool. I love the aesthetic. I love the design. I liked what everything looked like. Really cool. But there was one problem. And it wasn't that the owner's helper spoke only Spanish. Let me explain. Don't look back. I want to show you the wonders of the universe, girl. Take my hand and you will see. We've got just one life, baby. So guys, this is Mammaloes Bed and Breakfast, a place that I booked for the first 4 days of my birthday trip to Aruba. And once you're inside, this big open space is the parking lot. That's the entrance where that purple wall is. I was the only one left that was still here in the morning. That right there is just one of the houses, and it's telling you that particular cabin is that direction. This is the kitchen, and surprisingly, y'all, even though this is outside, there actually were no bugs anywhere to be found. I couldn't believe it. They were nowhere. I saw not a single bug. And y'all who watch my channel, y'all know I'm terrified of them. They had utensils. They had the stove, oven, coffee maker, cups, plates, everything you can possibly want in a normal kitchen you have at your house. They have it here. The trash can outside. And again, no bugs for some reason. And this is the dining room area outside. It's really beautiful, nicely decorated. I loved it. Didn't use it much because I was up and about, but you know. And over here is a couple more cabins. Again, every single one is individually decorated. They all look stunning. This is just the names of the other ones. Over right here, although there's no way you can actually get lost. That's just for aesthetic purposes. This is another little dining room. This is more like the living room type area actually. You can eat over here too, but it's just more just relaxing and talking. You can talk to the other people in the cabins. And again, the aesthetic, the designs, everything is beautiful here. This is actually the owner's house. But this right here belongs to this cabin. They're all about the same price. They're only like a couple, like maybe $5–10 difference because some come with more stuff. Like this entire section is one cabin. It's all for you. Got the little hammock. And this one that you're looking at right now, this is the one that I booked. I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. We got little fruits up there. I didn't ask them if I can have one or not. You probably could. But this is pretty much the little section for my cabin. I didn't really use it because I was too busy doing all my activities. But yeah, I could if I wanted to. The windows are so cute. Everything is so adorable and nicely decorated here. This is not very expensive at all. But it is nicely decorated, so I did pay a little extra coins. I found cheaper places, but I paid a little extra coin for the feel of the beauty of this place. And that is a mosquito net. I thought it was just there for like fancy decoration. So I was surprised when I came here at night. Oh yeah, by the way, that's the air conditioner you saw right there on the wall. Yeah, I was very surprised when I saw that at night. I realized that there were these tiny little flies that still kind of got through the net and came on me at night, so that was not fun. That actually was the little teeny little problem I was talking about in the beginning of this video. It actually is pretty hot here, so the air conditioner, you have to stay kind of still. Oh, this is the bathroom. I mean, the bathroom window is not like scenic, but the cactus are nice to look at. The shower is right over here. They even give you some soap and some shampoo and conditioner as well. I already have some of my stuff set up in here. Oh, so cute. And look, that's a mirror and me. Yay! Hey! Ho! Ho! Yeah, so this is just the Airbnb tour. You can have your storage under the bed. I didn't unpack everything yet, so they're up against the wall. They also have a TV right above here as well. This is my little area where I can like sit and relax and everything. Yep, so this is the little kitty cat that came to visit. Apparently there are like 2 cats that like hang around here. And this one wanted to just talk to me and hang out with me. I actually was waiting for my tour to pick me up. I have about like 15 minutes. I woke up, ate breakfast and all that. And the cat just wanted to play. It just kept rubbing its body against my leg, wanting to get petted and whatnot. I was a little nervous because I know you're not supposed to, you know, touch strays. This one was so cute. And it was so gentle. And it came up to me. I didn't come to the cat. It came up to me. Well, that's all I have to say for the Mammaloes bed and breakfast in Aruba. So if you want to stay there, definitely go ahead and check it out. Bye. Hey guys, I've updated my Patreon to show some new goals that I have for both my YouTube channels. On my main channel, Shantedidathing, since it is all about traveling and making money, I'm going to start using those funds so that I can send one of you guys to somewhere cool in the entire world. All expenses paid. And for my commentary channel, Shantedidathing, I want you guys to start telling me what type of videos you want me to review, talk about, or react to. So head on down to patreon.com/shantedidathing and let's build up the patronage. So I'm just chilling in my hotel on night 2 in Aruba. Lots of mishaps already happened. I'm gonna try to keep faith. But, you know, my hotel is actually, well, not a hotel, it's more like a little shack. It is actually pretty cool though. They have this little net. At first I thought it was like a nice cool little touch. It's actually because there were bugs. Yeah. Well, here we go. So that's the end of the video. But before you go, make sure you click on another one. We got one right here, and we got one right here. And they're both pretty good. You want this one? Maybe you want this one. Choose.